Yeah, man! Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you oats, coconut milk, cereal snack. Alright, so you're gonna need a 50-gram pack of coconut powder, 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. To me, that's the real oats. Sugar now. Sugar is an option, but just to spruce the flavor a little, we're gonna add a little teeny bit of sugar. Water. Alright, this is real coconut milk that I juiced a couple days ago. It's frozen. I put it in the refrigerator. And this is coconut jelly that I removed from the shell and froze it as well. I'm not using that today. Today I'm going to use the coconut milk powder because I know most people have access to the coconut milk powder. First, I'm going to start by mixing out the coconut powder. This is 1 cup of water. And this is a 50-gram pack of coconut powder. Add the coconut powder to 1 cup of water. Grind about half or quarter teaspoon of grinded nutmeg. They sell grinded nutmeg in the supermarket, so you can buy that instead. Now mix the coconut powder in the water well. Dilute the coconut powder in the water. You gotta mix it well. Then you'll get coconut milk. This is now coconut milk. It tastes just like coconut milk. In fact, I use this all the while. Now, because I have access to regular coconut, I use regular coconut. Regular coconut is more expensive, number one. Number two, you gotta break it apart, cut it up, grind it, squeeze it, and stuff like that. Alright, so now I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just mix that in, and note you cannot add the sugar. The sugar is not necessary. When I do it for myself, I don't add sugar. But some time ago I remember using a little bit of sugar. So you don't have to use sugar. To me, the sweetness is just fine. With this 1 teaspoon of sugar is just fine. You don't need to add more sugar, but taste it first, and maybe you can add as much as a tablespoon, but no more than a tablespoon of sugar to 1 cup of coconut milk powder and water. Remember now, I will prefer you not use sugar, but you can. Next, so we're using 1 cup coconut milk and 1 cup of oats, old-fashioned oats. So I add the 1 cup of oats in a bowl. Mix out the coconut powder well in the water. It should look just like coconut milk, taste just like coconut milk. So you gotta mix it out smooth. Make sure there's no grain or there's no coconut powder. Just be sure it's dissolved in the water thoroughly. Alright, so once you do that, just pour the coconut milk over the 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. You gotta mix it out well that there's no powder in the jar when you finish. Alright, so once you do that, just kind of stir it in a little bit. The objective here is to let it sit and swell. The oats is gonna swell in the coconut milk in a few minutes. So do what I'm doing, get a lid, cover your bowl or a cup, whatever you decide to use, and just allow it to sit and soak for a while. This oats coconut milk cereal been soaking for 50 minutes now, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so it's ready. The oats swelled. For some reason when I open this, I smell cornflakes. Can't say why, but it has the aroma of cornflakes. Alright, so this is what you want. The oats is soaked and soft. It's old-fashioned oats coconut milk cereal. Oats coconut milk cereal. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, share this video. You should try this for yourself. Give us feedback and tell us what you think. Coconut milk is good for the stomach. It soothes the stomach. By not adding sugar, after a while you'll get used to the coconut flavor without sugar. Because right now I am enjoying this. This tastes really, really flavorful. To me, it's better than using the condensed milk. Coconut milk boosts energy. See, after a while, if you'll get accustomed to drinking the coconut milk without sugar. I'm enjoying this oats coconut milk cereal. For a simple little snack, it's flavorful. The nutmeg blends lovely with the cereal. The objective is to use 1 cup of coconut milk to 1 cup of oats. So if you want more, just double the ingredients. Although some people say the coconut powder is not real, I believe it is. Most of these coconut powders come from the Philippines, and they have a lot of coconut. They actually get monkeys to climb the tree and pick the coconut for them sometimes. And they dry it. They dry it, process it, grind it, whatever. But I believe it's real coconut. You should try making this for yourself. Give us feedback and tell me what you think. Do you like it better with the coconut milk, or do you like it with the condensed milk? Give us feedback. Till next time, bye.
Yeah, man!